How to choose the best LED strip lights. Over the past few years, LED strip lights have become trendy as a DIY lighting solution for multiple applications. However, which LED strip is the most reliable and suitable? You need to jot down your requirements based on the project at hand before making an investment. Colorful strip lights are your best bet if you plan on illuminating for festivities or want to spice up or create an ambience. There are mainly three types of strips rendering colorful lights: RGB, RGBW, and RGBIC. Each LED emits three primary colors: red, green, and blue. By adjusting the current of the color components, we can virtually witness various colors, including white. RGBIC strips can display multiple colors simultaneously, like a rainbow. With a dimmer or through the app on your phone, you can easily adjust the brightness and set it to your preferred color. If you only require white strip lights for simple yet elegant lighting purposes, you can choose between daylight white, warm white, or CCT. The color temperature is generally from 3000 to 6000 Kelvin, which may be selected as per your needs. Next, it's time to pick a brand with a solid reputation and quality. The customer ratings of the Lepro products on Amazon and Google are proof enough of its exceptional quality. Let's probe deeper and explore what we bring forth. 1. Professional certification. The Lepro strips are professionally certified, ETL, CE, and PSE, in addition to undergoing strict quality inspection and testing to assure customers of a safe and high-performance luminaire. 2. Bright high-density LED. Thanks to the premium quality SMD 2835 and SMD 5050 LEDs, Lepro LED strip lights can provide sufficient brightness and maximum energy savings. Even 1800 lumina brilliant light can be reached under 18-watt input power. A higher density of 30 to 60 LEDs per meter presents smooth and evenly distributed light. At the same time, to ensure the stability of high power load and long-time operation, the circuit board contains a considerable amount of copper material, which significantly promotes heat dissipation under the appropriate LED density. 3. Firm installation. Opting for strip lights with heavy-duty adhesive backing is highly imperative for long-term fastening. Lepro strip lights use original 3M tape, which is super sticky and stable. The flexible LED strip comes accompanied by a peel and stick double-sided adherent, allowing quick and easy mounting on most smooth, dry, and clean surfaces. Remember that mounting tracks or fixing clips can also be used to keep them in place. 4. Waterproof and dustproof. If you want to install the strips outdoors or in a humid environment, weatherproof strips are the way to go. Lepro possesses IP65 waterproof strips, which can withstand humid climates. Likewise, the waterproof coating offers better heat dissipation performance, avoiding damage caused by heat accumulation. Lepro has a wide range of LED strip lights and luminaires to suit most of your requirements. You're welcome to visit Lepro's Amazon store or lepro.com anytime to browse and buy our products. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Catch you in the next video.